Face diet, key line: keep your nose in shape. Use your middle finger on both sides. Apply weight over the nose and bridge of the nose up and down. Repeat 5 times. Use the index finger and middle finger on both sides. Press and push from the cheekbones up to the bridge of the nose. Repeat 3 times. Use the middle finger on both sides to press hard on the inner corner of the eyes. Then add up to the eyebrows. Repeat 10 times. Use your middle finger and ring finger on both sides. Press hard on the skin beside the nose, up to the bridge of the nose. Repeat 10 times. Use your thumb and index finger to chase away from the side of the nose. Pulled up to the bridge of the nose. Repeat 5 times.